Hi, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the story Stellaluna. Now you get to practice retelling the story. Use this retelling rope to help you remember all the things you need to say when you retell a story. You'll need to say, where was the setting? Where did the story take place? Who were the characters? What was the problem in the story? What happened at the beginning, middle, and end? And then, what was the solution to the problem? How did they fix the problem? Here we have some characters from the story. This is Pip, Flitter, and Flap, the owl, Stellaluna, Mama Bird, Mama Bat. Use these cards to help you retell the story. Make a video for your teacher on Seesaw. Using the picture cards, show your teacher what happened at the beginning, middle, and end. Make sure to tell the important parts and have fun.